Okay, good morning, class.
Good morning, Mom.
How are you today?
We're fine.
Did you eat your breakfast already?
Yes.
Let's settle down. I will just check your attendance first. So, when I call your name, please say present. Tumala.
Present.
Sanchez. Present. Dumabil.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, did I call everyone?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Now, please stand up for our opening prayer. Are you familiar with this trending phrase?
Yes.
Okay, again, can you please read?
Review game. Ano, Tara?
Okay. Now, this game is called Pass the Ball. I think we are all familiar with how Pass the Ball works, right?
Yes.
Are you guys familiar with the game?
Yes.
Okay, pass the ball. Mr. Dumagin or Mr. Disengaño? Mr. Dumagin. Okay. Mr. Dumagin, will you please stand up? Can you give me one part of the plot?
Climax.
Climax. Will you give me the definition of climax?
I think it's where the peak of the event.
It is the?
Peak of the event.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Dumagin. So, climax is the peak of event, or this is where the magic happens in the story, okay? Okay, I think Miss Sanchez has the ball. Okay, please stand up. Another part of topic.
Exposition.
Exposition. What's the meaning of exposition?
Exposition po is where the story begins po.
Okay, exposition is where the story begins. Exposition, this is where the characters are being introduced, the setting, and the theme of the story. 1, 2, wait. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, Miss Elizabeth. Okay. The last word that you have to find is Galatea. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, Miss Priscilla. Perspective, or what's your understanding with the definition on the screen? Anyone? Okay, Miss Priscilla.
Based on my understanding po, wherein if you were expecting or you were manifesting,
So, Pygmalion effect basically is like when someone has high expectations of us, we often rise to meet those expectations. Or when someone expects us to do good or do right, we are more likely to work harder for it to happen. Okay, do you understand? So an example of Pygmalion effect is when a teacher expects you to excel in her or his class. You are more likely, as a student, you are more likely to work harder, to study harder, to focus on her class, right? Do we agree?
Yes.
Okay, another example is when you're basically Pygmalion effect is a manifestation of someone or other people's expectations of us. Although on the other hand, if someone has lower expectation of us, we are more likely to doubt ourselves. No, that's the negative. Is that please speak loudly.
Resolution. Venus blessed their marriage and Pygmalion named the woman Galatea. Together they had a son named Paphos, whose name was given to Venus' favorite city. The sculptor who once scorned women found happiness and fulfillment in love, completing the transformation of his life as well as his art.
Okay.
Okay, so what we draw po to symbolize the resolution is we drew two rings, one for Galatea and one for Pygmalion.
Because
Marriage symbolizes
they got
their
married. Okay, Thank you very much. Let us all clap our hands, please, everyone. For the statue to became alive. Why do you think Venus drank that fish? Another hand. Let's try Miss Dorosan.
I think the reason why Venus made Pygmalion's wish come true because she saw how passionate.
Clear? Did I answer your question, Miss Fernandez?
Yes po. Thank you po.
Alright, let us move on.
As a writing competition. And now moving forward to demonstration teaching beginners.
Let's go.
For the second placer goes to Ashley Nicole.